Welcome back to another sports massage therapy education video. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Gerber's lift-off test. So what we're actually testing for here is any kind of weakness or any damage to the subscapularis. So one of those rotator cuff muscles, but the one that sits on the internal side of the scapula. So the first thing we're going to ask our client to do is place their hand on the small of their back, palm facing out, and all I want you to do is just lift that off for me. Perfect. So they're bringing it away from the body, and I'm just placing my hand on the shoulder here just to hold this in place. And again, I'm going to ask you to do that again. Perfect, and bring him back. A positive result here would be if there's any pain or any discomfort performing that movement. That would indicate that there's some damage or potentially a tear on that subscapularis. If you're unsure, another way we can do this is place our hand gently on theirs, apply very minimal resistance and ask them to perform the same movement. Perfect, and back. And again, we can get them to try and hold that whilst we're applying that resistance there. But like I say, a positive result would be if there's any pain or any discomfort when performing that movement and applying that pressure away. One other thing to bear in mind, we can also perform this test. So imagine now you're placing your hand on a back pocket if you had it on a pair of jeans. We can perform it from here as well, just a little bit lower down, but studies have shown the most strain on that subscapularis would be if the hand was up here on the small of the back. And that is a wrap on another video. So as always, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because at the moment about 98% of you are not subscribed to the channel, and every subscription allows me to keep pushing out content and allows the community to grow. So as always, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one.